Hello, everyone. This is Julie Vargas here, and I'm a senior consultant. And currently, I'm a part of RPA team in HLB HAMT. HLB HAMT is a member firm of HLB International. We were founded in 1969, and we are a global network of advisory and accounting firm. We are ranking 11th across globally. We have 795 offices, and presently we are in 158 countries. In these countries, we are spread across. And specifically in HLB HAMT, we provide below services, that is audit and assurance, accounting and tax services, advisory services, and technology and consulting services. Under technology and consulting services, we have three core services. That is digital business solution, IT consulting services, and IT audit services. And we are partnered with Sage and Electrolink. Now moving forward to automating the purchase invoice entry process. Why we do that? Because we know the challenges which we face in manual entry. We have what the employee does is employee enter the data manually into Sage X3 system to create invoices. For some companies, invoice generation may take some time, which leads to unpaid invoices or late payment and overall inefficiency. So what we have created is we have created an electronic bot which will automatically input the data into the Sage X3 system. So you can see some screenshots here. What we does is uh, the purchase invoice data will be provided by a user and in an Excel format. And what our bot does it recognizes the data. Whatever the data is present in the Excel format, it analyzes it, and then the bot will log in into the Sage X3 system. Bot will input the data into the relevant Sage X3 system fields. Bot will one by one register all the invoices in the system. Once the purchase invoice is created, bot will update the purchase Excel file with the generated document number. And once the document number is updated in the Excel file, that's all. These numbers will be beneficial for us to verify whether the documents has been actually created in Sage X3 system or not. And thus the process will be completed. Here, we will be showing you a video representation of bot activities in creating the purchase invoice entry in Sage X3 system. Bot will recognize the Excel data as the data entry number is blank here. Bot will log into the Sage X3 system automatically. It will click on the invoice module and create a new invoice. It will recognize all the fields, like all the input fields like invoice type, supplier, accounting date. It captures the supplier document number from the Excel file and it input the same information here. It does the same with comment also. It clicks automatically on lines tab and take all the information, product related information from Excel, and one by one it is inputting in the line information like quantity, amount, cost center, employee dimension, and clicks on create and an entry number will be generated. Similarly, it is taking the second row in the Excel file and it is inputting all those data here one by one in the same speed. The second invoice is created. It will create the all the 10 invoices. As of now in our demo file, we have 10 invoices. So the 10 invoices are in 10 rows. So each row will be taken one by one in a counter fashion. So let me fast forward it because it is doing the same work for 10 rows. It is creating 10 invoices. And we can see here, see the ninth invoice is created and an entry number is generated. Now what the bot does is it will capture this entry number from here and it will paste it in the Excel file for our future verification purpose. The 10th number is created, invoice is created, and all the entry numbers are pasted here. So the user or the accountant can come here and they can verify it. And thus the process will be completed. I hope you have understood the whole process. Let me know if you have any queries. Thank you.